Hey guys, I'm so excited to be doing my unboxing for Bravenly. So guys, this is not a joke. I'm not putting on. I am this excited to share this stuff with you. So my welcome package came today. I have been stalking the mail and the tracking numbers. It was supposed to come tomorrow, and because of this storm, I think they booked it up, beefed it up, I don't know, moved it up so that they could get it here today. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So earlier today, I got some packages on the porch, and I saw a Bravenly, some other unboxing. I got the Drift, which is the nighttime supplement that you take. And then what I thought was my welcome box, I opened it up and it was my husband's coffee. So it's so underwhelming, but it just makes this so much better. So if you know anything about me, you know I've suffered. This is Harley. Hi, baby. He just had his dinner. You know that I've suffered from TMJ, which has caused really bad issues just all around. I've got ruptured discs in my back and my neck from it, and I just struggled health-wise. Well, I started taking these samples the weekend of October 4th, and I had a bridal shower that I was throwing for my sister-in-law, who I absolutely love and adore, and I wanted to have energy. I also had an all-day open house on Friday for the Parade of Homes, and I had an open house on Sunday as well. I needed some help. So I reached out to Danye. I said, hey, I want some samples. I want to try this stuff. And let me tell you, the way I felt after that very first weekend is what had me hooked. So I began looking into it. I began saying, hey, I want to try these things. I just got back into real estate at the second part of last year. I had a career change, and you know, I had done real estate before and loved it, but let me tell you, it wasn't the right time to just say, hey, I want to give my all to something and invest in something just out of the blue. But guys, the products, they just said, no, Valerie, this is the right time. The right time is right now. And I looked at my budget. I looked at what I could do. I found ways to make sure that I got what I needed and what my body needed, and my body needed Bravenly. So I'm telling you this because this has made such a huge difference in my life, and I'm so passionate about it because of how I feel and what it has done. If you know me even more recently, yes, I gained about 45 or 50 pounds because of my health issues. And that was over about a 3 or 4 year period, and that was hard. And Bravenly is not a weight loss drug, and I did not lose my weight on Bravenly, so I want to make that clear. I lost my weight. It took a year. I got the weight off. I'm back to where I had been when I was me. I was healthy. But I can tell you, Bravenly has helped me keep the weight off. It has helped me just be a better version of myself. So I know that this video is kind of a little bit longer, and I didn't mean to get, you know, all super deep and personal, but if any of this resonates with you, if you have health issues, whether it's my thyroid, after a week and a half of being on 3 of these supplements, and I was only taking half of the amount, I went in and had my blood work done, and they lowered my thyroid. They lowered my thyroid medicine because I was taking too much. Like, that is what I'm telling you guys. This stuff is legit. It is legit. So now to the actual unboxing. And you know, I don't have a filter on. This is me. I am just that excited, and that's what it's done for me. It's helped my skin, it's helped my hair, it's helped just everything. Okay, my goodness, you know I'm a talker. This is gonna be all of the good literature about Bravenly. It's gonna teach me the words that I don't know, but you know what? My upline is incredible. Absolutely incredible, the knowledge that these women have, And did I tell you, this is a Christian-based company. Oh my gosh, like that's incredible. Incredible. I met the founder and CEO last week. He's back. He's like, what's in there for me, Mama? Actually, do you know there is an Amish community that gives these supplements to their animals, and they live longer because they are healthy. They're healthier. Okay. Hi, dear baby. I know. Okay, so we got some books. We got some literature. What I have done here, I have ordered stuff for samples. So if you are excited to learn, to try some of these things that I have invested in and that I just believe in, I know I'm probably schmoozing, but guys, like I'm serious. This has been life-changing for me. Then, hi Bubba, he wants attention. Then let me know, because I bought all the stuff to be able to provide samples. I can get them to you at a discounted price. Once you try them, they have an 85% retention rate. Let me say that again. 85% of the people that get online and order Bravenly and try it continue to buy it. Let that sink in, okay? That's unheard of. That right there says, I mean, people like you. People buy stuff the first time and be like, oh, okay, I'll try it, whatever. But they buy it again and again because it works. So this is the Fit Fuel. This is their protein powder that is just absolutely incredible. So it's in chocolate. I'm so excited to try it. This has all the stuff that I can't explain in it, but it has basically 5 kinds of collagen, eggshell membrane, colostrum, digestive enzymes. This is what's going to replace my prebiotic and my probiotic. I don't have to take them anymore because they're right here. So excited. Okay, so we got that. We've got Adapt, which this is going to help with your brain fog, with your concentration. Burn Extreme. So this is something that is going to help you if you are looking to lose weight. It's not like they're not saying, hey, we're a weight loss company. That's not what they're claiming. But it's known to help curb your appetite, to help with satiety. I can never say the word. Making you feel full longer. It helps balance, like all of these products work together. They help to balance your hormones, all of your levels. This one, guys, this is the guy that I ordered for my husband. My husband does not have patience, and he gets anxiety, all the things. I ordered this because I wanted him to try it, and he did, and it actually made a difference on a couple high-stress occasions. But man, I took it, and I was like, whoa. I was chilled out and mellow, but not like chilled out and mellow. Like it wasn't rigid. And I'm sorry, if you know me, you know I can be rigid on certain things. I don't mean to be, but we all have certain things, and we want it a specific way. If you have ADD, or if you're obsessive compulsive, or what, this would probably be a good product to try. Ignite. Okay, so there are 3 products that I said are your flagship products for me. Ignite, which is this. This is what helps me gets me out of bed in the morning. So I may get up, I may be tired, not motivated, whatever. I take my vitamins, within 30 minutes, I am just up and working. I have to remind myself that I'm not just cleaning the house all day. Like I have other things that I am doing, because I just get focused in and do it. Energy. It's all incredible. Drift. So that's actually the same as what I got. So it helps with making you go to sleepy sleep. It relaxes you, helps you get a good night's sleep. And it's yummy hot chocolate, hot cocoa flavor. Hydrate. So this is lemon lime. They also have a mango flavor that I have in the other room that is so good. Helps with like muscle recovery. It helps after you have, you know, gone to the gym, your electrolyte replacements. Brew Extreme is going to be your mushroom coffee. So this is basically, I'm not going to say the same, but kind of the equivalent of the Rush Extreme, which you can, I mean, I drink this all day, but maybe not right before bed because then you won't sleep. But the Brew Extreme is your coffee in the morning, your coffee replacement. Let me say that. More Rush Extreme. And these are packets. So if you saw my other videos, you saw that I had, you know, the powder form. And I put my very favorite one in a little glass container because I use it all the time. These are your samples, guys. Ooh! Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like vacation, honestly. Pina colada. So I've got samples. Hit me up if you are interested. The same with the Rush. So they have Rush and they have Rush Extreme. Rush comes in, this is a tropical strawberry flavor, which I wish they had this in the Extreme because it's so yummy. They have it in this flavor. They have a mixed berry and a grape. And I say the mixed berry, it's a blue, I'm doing a bad job. I can't remember exactly what that one's called. The Rush has 40 milligrams of caffeine, and the Rush Extreme is 130, I have it on my phone. Ignite, again, more sticks. So these are my sample packets. This is my bottle. And then gold. So gold is the inflammation. This is the flagship product too. This is the inflammation kicker. This is also what helps with so many different things. They have it in packages or pill, like capsule forms. These are the actual product, like this is the actual like sticks. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't prefer the taste of it, but some people love it. My upline, like, she loves it. I did put it in yogurt, and, you know, I could do it in that. Some people put it in their coffee, but it's not bad enough that you can't, like, try it and get the benefit of it. If you don't like the taste, we'll go to capsules. And you can even try some capsules of mine. So, all of this stuff, that is the end of the box, guys. Waving my flag. If you are even remotely interested in learning about the products, I'm not here to sell you on them. The products sell themselves. Please do not hesitate to give me a call. I would love to talk to you about these products, talk to you about my journey of how they've helped me, my journey in general about TMJ. I always tell everybody, please do not let your orthodontist pull your kids' teeth, adult teeth, if they do not have to. That is part of what gave me TMJ. But I would just love to discuss all of the things that I've kind of gone through if it can do one bit of good for somebody else and help them in the future. So I really appreciate your time. If you made it to the end of the videos, I really do appreciate it. I hope that you can see the passion that I have for these products, and you know, give them a try. Just give them an opportunity to reveal their true power and what they can do in your body and how you react to them. I'm not saying that everybody's going to love them, and everybody's body's different, but I know for a fact that these are going to impact people's lives in the most incredible way. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and I really do look forward to talking to you about these products in the future.